No more curfew in Metro Manila starting November 4. It just published like a few hours ago. This article saying that we are done with the curfew, at least in Manila, no more curfew. The article goes on saying that general curfew in Metro Manila is lifted beginning Thursday, November 4. The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority announced on Wednesday. This to allow malls to extend operating hours to prevent crowding as the holiday season approaches. In the capital region, agreed to open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays and 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. on weekends. The target implementation is from November 15 to January 3. So that's great news. I mean, after what? I think it's about March 2020, meaning over 20 months, almost 2 years with curfew. What the curfew means that nobody was allowed outside starting midnight until 4 a.m. Here in Bohol is the same situation. We have been having curfew since also last March, like all over the country. But very controversial, in Panglao, they removed the curfew last week. We can see here the executive order released by the mayor. The executive order number 26, to be more precise, released on the 24th day of October. It says, an order imposing the no curfew policy to the tourism sector and giving special incentives to establishment awarded with the PVAC safety seal. I wouldn't know what's the PVAC safety seal, but they removed the curfew officially somewhere last week. So very happy how the things are unfolding. This is like great news for a lot of people, I'm sure, because it means that we are getting back to normal. Slowly, things are getting better. I will take a while to sink in because every time there's a new rule or like an executive order, it's like today the rule come out, implementing starting tomorrow. So I mean, you don't even have the time to prepare. There's no. That's why everything here, every rule is kind of like instant. It's very hard to plan. But I mean, as long they are good news, they're very welcome. The sooner, the better. Anyway, what I was saying before, that it has been a little bit controversial what is happening between Bohol and Panglao. Panglao is actually that little island which is down below Bohol and is still part of Bohol. But they've always been having separate rules with Bohol. It's like, I don't know what's going on between the two governments. It's weird because the government of Bohol is imposing a curfew all over the province, while Panglao, they have their own rules. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. You might agree, you might disagree. I'm just saying it's controversial. But still, this is the situation we have. Curfew is in Bohol but not in Panglao, and starting tomorrow also not in Manila, and most probably all the rest of the province will follow. And it totally makes sense because it's also to allow the malls to stay open longer and avoid that the people assemble during the Christmas shopping. Let's all be happy about this new, but let's continue to be careful. Let's continue to stay alert because the virus is still out there. Wear your mask. Probably, I was reading that they're finally starting to consider to ditch the face shield, that annoying face shield, but still continue to wear the mask, continue to wash your hands, maintain social distance as much as possible, and let me update you more in my next vlog on the development on the protocols of this country. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give it a like, and I see you the next time.